Hi there, students. To knead, Knead. This is sort of like to massage, but let's see, this word is particularly used when making bread. So to make dough, you take flour and you add water, and then you knead it. You massage it, you press firmly and keep turning it repeatedly with your hands and your fingers, or maybe with your knuckles as well. So to make good bread, you need to knead the dough until it is smooth. Okay, to work dough or to work clay into a mass by folding and pressing and stretching. Okay, and this is the idea: to knead, to work something with your hands. I think really you could probably only use this with dough and with clay. He kneaded the clay until it made a very uniform ball. I guess you could knead Play-Doh as well. Or maybe I was given a massage and she kneaded the tight muscles on my back until all of the tension had gone. Yeah, so to work with the hands, to press, repeated pressure, maybe with your knuckles or maybe not, but particularly to knead dough. Okay, notice, this sounds like to need, as in I need a glass of water, I need more money. And also, it sounds like the past tense of the verb to knee, your knee on your leg. She kneed him between the legs. So to knee is to kick with the knee as well. Okay, so you've actually got need, and need. Yeah? Okay, but here, to knead, to press something around, to massage it with repeated pressure. Yeah, to form it, to shape it. Knead the dough until it is smooth. Yeah, this is this working it with your hands. You're mixing it thoroughly with your hands into a homogeneous mixture. Yeah, and this is the idea, but you've got to use your hands to do it. Okay, so to knead is a regular verb. He kneaded the dough. He has kneaded the dough for 20 minutes now. Yeah, notice dough, D-O-U-G-H, the dough to make bread. And then, what about formality? I think this is a neutral word. I give it a 5 in formality. You could use it anywhere. It says exactly what it means. And then, as to origin, well, there was an Old English word, kneadan, meaning the same. And then there's a Proto-Germanic word, knudjana, yeah, to press together, to knead, from a Proto-Indo-European word, gnet, to press together. Okay, so I guess you're pressing the dough together, you're molding it with your hands until it's all pressed into one thorough ball. Okay, so to knead, yeah. I'd love somebody to knead the tension out of the muscles on the back of my neck. Okay, so enough to knead. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To knead, yeah, Knead.